This video is going to show you how you can add annotations and text to videos you've already published on YouTube. And we're going to use this to add sentences to the examples we've already done. So when you sign into YouTube, you'll have a page that looks like this. And because the videos are all on my page, I'll need to sign in for you. But once you're signed in, you're going to need to click on this name up here first. And this will bring up this screen, and you should click on Video Manager. When you click on Video Manager, you're going to see a list of all of the published videos, and you can see most of these are the vocabulary videos we've done, at least the recent ones. And once you find your video that you're going to edit, you will click on Edit. And there's different types of editing you can do, but specifically we are going to do annotations, which is here. So you'll move your cursor here till it's red underline and click on that. Okay, now your video will be here and it's going to start playing. You're going to want to wait until it gets to the part where you have your sentences for examples right here. Okay, so this is Anne's video of scarce, and we want to put her sentence underneath her picture so the reader can both see the sentence and hear the sentence. So what we're going to do is click on Add Annotation. And we can go ahead and make it a speech bubble like this. And here it is, the speech bubble. Okay. Now you can drag this around and change the color and the size. Now obviously we don't want it to be right on top of the picture, so find a place where you have some space, and we're going to put a whole sentence here, so we may want to make it bigger. Okay, and this is where you change the color to make it a different background. So let's go ahead and just make this purple. And now you are going to add the text. So, end sentence, you can't hear it here, but it says, Tokyo is a Japanese city, so English speakers are scarce. So I'm going to type that in this box right here. And when you do this, make sure your spelling and your grammar are correct, because everyone's going to see this when they watch your video. And remember your periods and question marks. Let me check it again. Tokyo is a Japanese city, so English speakers are scarce. And you can see already this is shown up here. Now I can actually make this a little bit bigger, I think, because there's more space in my box. So I'm going to come down and change the font size from 13 to 16. And we're still okay there. And I think I'm going to move this down a little bit further. And you can even change where this part of the speech bubble is if you want. Up there. So,
for example, Tokyo is a Japanese city, so English speakers are scarce.
now, we see the annotation went away too soon. So what we can do is down here, make this longer. So if I put it like that, it will stay around longer on the video. So let's go back here and see if this looks better now. I'm going to turn the volume up a little bit more and play.
Few in number.
And as soon as it came up, here's our speech bubble now.
For example, Tokyo is a Japanese city, so English speakers are scarce. Another example.
You can see it was around a little bit too long, so I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. Oh. And you click right on the end so the arrow comes up, and then make it a little bit smaller. You can keep checking. You don't have to be exactly perfect. Spacebar will let it play.
Speakers are scarce.
Okay. Now for her next example, again, you're going to click Add Annotation, Speech Bubble. So now there's more space here, so I'm going to move this here and make it a little bit bigger. And you can choose a different color, it doesn't really matter, so we'll choose this color.
Another example is Seisin is a girls' school.
So you should have these written down, but you can just listen to if you need to.
So boys are scarce.
Okay, again, I'm going to change the font size to 16. And again, the same thing that happened before, it disappears a little bit too early.
Another example is Seisin is a girls' school, so boys are scarce.
So again, I want to make this last a little bit longer. Put your cursor here till you see the arrow and drag it out, and then it will stay longer. Okay. So I can go back.
Another example is Seisin is a girls' school, so boys are scarce.
Okay. This is a little bit of an advanced thing. Most people don't know how to do it, especially for third graders. So just try your best and see how you can do. But I think people will be able to understand your videos better if they can both hear your voice and read your sentence at the same time. So this will help kids when they're learning the vocabulary. So kind of as a bonus, when we have time, we can add these annotations into your videos to enhance them. And when you're done, this is important, you should go ahead and click publish. And it takes a little bit of time, maybe for the publish to show up on the video. So to watch it on the regular video, you just click at the top.
Scarce. Today's word is scarce.
It may not show up for a little bit of time. But anyways, you can see in about 5 or 6 minutes, you can enhance your videos by adding the sentences to the videos. And we will be working on this later. Thank you.